Hi everyone, welcome to my watercolor series inspired by this amazing book, The Joy of Watercolor by Emma Block. This book is filled with beautiful exercises designed to spark creativity and help us master a variety of watercolor technique. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to improve, this series is perfect for exploring new subjects and growing your skill step by step. Over the next few weeks, we dive into different themes like flowers, fruit, plants, animal, and people. Each video will focus on exercises from this book, giving us a chance to learn, practice, and enjoy the process of watercolor painting together. So grab your paint, just relax, and let's find the joy of watercolor. Today, we are painting these three beautiful birds sitting on a branch. This is part of my Watercolor Nature series. I use this beautiful book that I've introduced earlier to create some of the suggested paintings in there. To sketch the birds, we start with a simple pencil sketch. Don't worry about making it perfect, just capture the flow. Now, let's lay down the first wash of color. Each bird has a unique palette. The first bird is warm and golden. The second has a striking black, beige, and red marking. And the third has a vibrant mix of blue, green, and yellow. Use short, delicate brush strokes to suggest feathers, layering darker tones to create contrasts. Second bird's black marking really stand out, so take your time, define this area, and enjoy. For the bluebird, a touch of blue in the wings make the colors pop. Now it's time to paint the branch. The branch is painted with warm brown tone. Start with a light wash. Then use a darker shade to define the texture and knots. Keep the wash light and fluid to let the watercolor do its magic. Adding shadows under the bird's feet helps ground them on the branch, making the painting feel more natural. A little highlight on the beaks gives a glossy effect. If you want to add an extra magical touch, a soft background wash in blue or beige can enhance the overall composition. I may just leave it as blank. It's up to you. And that's it. Our watercolor birds are complete. I love how each bird has its own character and charm. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to check out the other paintings in my watercolor series. I've done many of them. Let me know in the comments which painting is your favorite and what would you love to see next. Thanks for joining me and happy painting!